Hello, hello, and welcome back to James the Lesser's Express Lane, where we get you out as fast as possible. Got my delivery today from Amazon. I thought it was gonna be 2 days, so it would have showed up yesterday on my day off. Instead, I get an email while I'm at work. Hey, your package has been delivered. I just ordered it yesterday. What did I order? Acer. I already took it out of the Amazon box. And then get that. A power cable. What would this power cable go to? I can't imagine. Let's find out. Gotta get the packaging out. Get it out of the anti-static bag. And then, ta-da! Laptop. Normally these are $379.99 on sale during the Amazon Prime Day for $283 after tax. So I had to get it. USB 3.1, wireless connections and all that, HDR webcam. Ooh, hello. With a Intel Core i3 2.2 GHz with turbo boost up to 3.4, 6 gigs of RAM, 1 terabyte hard drive. Should be everything that I need for writing, maybe using OBS. I don't know. Yeah, we're gonna check it out. Maybe Vegas Pro. I don't think Vegas Pro will run on it very well, but it doesn't need to run well. It just needs to run a little bit. Do music, have my music on there, maybe a couple movies. For like, say I go on vacation, I'm gonna be away from the internet, I'm gonna be away from YouTube, PlayStation, I'm gonna be away from everything. But I still want to be able to work on my books. Perfect. Yeah, I'm going on vacation soon. Can't wait. Man, I still can't believe it was 1 day shipping. I didn't pay anything extra for the shipping. Just got free 1 day shipping. And again, I got this for $283 after tax. Great deal on this laptop. Does it turn on? No, it does not. Probably got to charge it first. So, let me charge it and see what... I don't know if you guys can see this, but this is having really bad flickering issues. Like, you do anything with it and it flickers. I don't know if you can see it that well or not, but... Let's see if I get onto you. Yep, yeah, see? It's just having all kinds of issues. And it told me to uninstall the drive, like, go into safe mode, uninstall drivers. I don't have any sound issues yet. And then reinstall. Or, like, search for whatever. So let's see if this works. Display. Update. Search automatically. Cross fingers. Knock on wood. Come on, please stop flickering. Because I tried to do just, update drivers. I was like, oh, it's got to be the drivers. Oh, they're up to date. It's like, okay. No, they're not. See? No, it is not. What the fuck? Yay, got the screen flickering to stop. Had to reboot in safe mode, uninstall the drivers and all that, then restart it. So yay, no more flickering. It now works exactly how I want it to. Okay, after all that, as soon as I had internet connection on the laptop, it updated the drivers. So you had to turn off automatic updates, then turn around, reboot in safe mode, uninstall the drivers, restart. It's like, okay, great, it's working. Nothing's going on, nothing's going on. It only delayed the automatic update. So what I had to do was roll back drivers. So now there's a tiny bit of flicker. But before it was like, alright, let's try to watch a YouTube video. And you can't watch it. It is just unwatchable. It's like trying to watch a movie on 2 frames per second. This way, rolling back the driver, it's like, okay, you can actually watch a YouTube video or whatever movie I have on there. And I was surprised. Vegas Pro 14 works. This laptop does not meet the minimum requirements, but it still worked. So, yay! Awesome. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I can't wait to use this. I'll have the link to it in the description box. As always, like, subscribe, comment down below, and have a wonderful day.